Hello everyone. Our topic for today is about integral calculus application, part 1, for plane areas or area bounded by the curves using our most recommended CASIO FX 570 ES Plus. As for LET and other engineering boards, okay lang po kahit anong version ng ating CASIO FX 570 ES Plus ang gagamitin. So, ito po ay first edition. Pwede din naman ang second edition at ang bago nating transparent. But for SELF, please take note, SELF, Civil Engineering Licensure Examination, kailangan po ang transparent as per PRC Resolution number 9, Series of 2023. So, for LET, okay lang po kahit anong version. Okay? Nilinaw ko po kasi merong nag-comment sa ating previous video. Let's proceed. We have the formulas for vertical strip here and for horizontal strip. Here is the formula. So, nakadepende po sa atin kung ano ang gusto nating gamitin. Okay? So, the lower limit is A and the upper limit is B. As for vertical strip, y upper minus y lower dx. As for horizontal strip, x right minus x left dy. Again, my apologies sa mga unwanted sounds. So, problem number 1. Area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by the x-axis, the line y equals x, and the circle x squared plus y squared equals 32. So, first quadrant, and we have 3. We have 2 lines and 1 circle. So, the first thing is to plot para naiintindihan po natin ang given at ang hinahanap sa ating problem. So, here, we have red, the x-axis rather, y equals 0, x-axis, y equals 0. Y equals x in blue and circle x squared plus y squared equals 32 and green. First quadrant, so quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Therefore, andito. This is the region bounded by the 3, by the x-axis, by y equals x, and the circle. So, this is not the region na hinahanap po natin. This is it because ito po ang nakapalibot, the 3 given in the problem. So, the shaded area ang ating kailangang isolve ang area. And sa pagpa-plot po natin, mai-establish po natin ang point of intersection just like this one, and this one. And ito po mga point of intersection na ito ang magiging limits. So here, since establish ang 4 na point, so we have 0 and 4 for y. So, sa limits, we have 0 and 4 kapag ang movement ay pataas, vertical. Hence, we will use horizontal strip. This is dy and this is x. So, in case na nakalimutan po ang formula na ito, so, ganito po. We have x dy. So, x dy, ito po yung area ng ating strip. And yung limits niya sa movement nakadepende. Since dy pa vertical. So, ang movement niya is from 0. Since ito po yung kinoconsider natin shaded area, ito po yung lower limit na 0 up to the upper limit which is 4. So, yun po ang ating limit, 0, 4. Then, sa pagkuha po ng dimension ito, let's say this is 5 and this is 1. Therefore, makukuha natin yung dimension nito by 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4, right? So, x right minus x left. So, dun lang po siya kinuha. Just in case na makalimutan po ito, pwede po tayong magbase sa ating ginawang strip, either horizontal or vertical. And dito po sa atin, so x right. Ang right po natin, ito pong right side ay tumama sa ating circle. So x right. Ang gagawin po natin dito, x squared is equal to 32 minus y. But x lang po ang andito. So dapat ma-eliminate po natin ang power of 2. Therefore, x right is equal to square root of 32 minus y squared. How about the x left? So, ang left natin ay tumama kay y equals x. So, x is also equal to y. So, x equals y. Therefore, we have minus y copy dy. Then, kukunin na po natin ang ating mahiwagang calculator. Input po natin, plug in natin, we have square root of 32. But, ang available po or ang kaya ng ating calculator is in terms of x dx. So, papalitan po natin ang y ng x. Therefore, minus alpha x squared. Then, arrow right para lumabas at hindi masama ang minus y or minus x na natin dito sa calculator sa ating square root. Then, limits is 0 to 4. Then, radians, pi. So, radians tayo, equal sign. The answer is 4 pi. Okay? Ganun lang naman po. Which is letter C. Although, meron po tayong pwedeng gawin sa pagsusolve ng ating point of intersection, but since this is the first part of our tutorial, mag-base po muna tayo sa graphing kasi ito naman po talaga ang recommended way para mas ma-visualize po natin ang problem. Number 2, the area enclosed by the curves y equals x minus 1 and y squared equals 2x. Then, graph. Kasi kung magkakalculate na po agad tayo, baka lalong magkalito-lito. So, dito po muna natin, start tayo sa basic. We have line x minus 1, y equals x minus 1 in violet, and our parabola opens to the right, x ang walang squared and positive. Kaya opens to the right, and here it is y squared equals 2x plus y. The area enclosed is this one. So this region ang ating hahanapin. The shaded area or the shaded region in magenta. Here, established na po ulit ang ating point of intersection. Since we have negative 2 and 4 for this one, so horizontal strip po ulit tayo. Doon lang tayo sa madali. So, dy x dapat ay in terms of x ang andito. And the formula, x right minus x left. So, in terms na po natin, x is equal to y plus 1. X is equal to y plus 1, transpose, kaya nagpalit po ng sign. Alam ko po, memorize nyo na po yan. And the other one, x is equal to y squared minus 6 over 2. Okay, so, medyo madali na po tayo dito. And substitute lang po natin. Again, vertical po ang movement. Therefore, y ang ating i-consider. Y, coordinate ng ating point of intersection. Kaya we have negative 2 and 4. Then, copy y plus 1, x right minus x left, y squared minus x over 2. And please don't forget, magre-replace po tayo pagdating sa ating calculator since x dx ang capacity po nito. Please be aware of this one. Be aware and beware. Be cautious. So, lahat na sinabi na po. So, we have x squared minus 6 over 2. And the limits is negative 2 to 4. Okay, x plus 1 minus x squared minus x minus 2 over 2 rather, sorry, is equal to 18, letter C. So the answer is 18, letter C. So, di ba po, habang nasasanay tayo, medyo nagiging okay, nagiging madali na para sa atin. Okay, problem number 3. So, dito po, tatlong lines naman ay 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 naman dito. The area of the region in square unit bounded by the curve y equals x minus 2, y equals 0, and x equals 0 to x equals 4. So, this is y-axis. This is x-axis. So, plotting, ayan. We have x minus 2, y equals x minus 2 in red, y equals 0 or the x-axis in violet, x equals 0 or the y-axis in blue, and x equals 4 in green. So the area or the region bounded by the given curves or lines, we have this one and this one. So we have 2, the shaded areas. This one. And inspection, 2 units, 2 units. This is 2 units and 2 units. Therefore, symmetrical. Consider na lang po natin itong nasa taas at i-times 2 na lang po natin. Establish naman po lahat ng ating point of intersection. So, para maiba, gamit po tayo ng vertical. We have dx and y. So, dito naman, upper minus lower, just the same para makuha natin ang dimension ni y. So, this is the formula. And here is y. So, kukopyahin na lang po natin ito. And since the movement is horizontal, so papunta sa kanan. Our lower limit is 2 and the upper limit is 4. So here, and symmetrical, so times 2. Y upper, so here is the red one. Kukopyahin na lang po natin. X minus 2 minus y equals 0 for lower, which is the x-axis. So, minus 0, copy dx. Dito, x dx na tayo. So, hindi na po tayo mag-replace ng ating variable. 2, wag natin kakalimutan ang 2. Then, x minus 2. So, wag na pala kasi 0 naman yung isa. So, x minus 2 dx 2 to 4. Then, equal sign. The answer is 4. Okay? The answer is 4. Letter B. Okay? Then, madali na po ba? Okay. So, here, naka-radians pa po pala tayo. So, let's check it in degrees. It is just the same. Okay? So, problem number 4. Di ba po madali na lang? Kasi nasanay na po tayo. Kaya wag po tayong matatakot sa calculus. We have our backup. We have our calculator. So, for the next tutorial, doon na din natin gagamitin ang paggamit ng calculator sa ating point of intersection. For now, kailangan po muna nating sanayin ang ating sarili sa pag-plot. para, ayun nga po, mas madali maintindihan. Actually, that is the best method. Lalo sa ganito po na area bounded. So what is the area of the region bounded by the parabola? So we have two parabolas, y squared, ibig sabihin, x po ang walang squared, horizontal, positive, therefore, opens to the right. So we have the graph and established point of intersection. Y squared is equal to x times the quantity of x minus 1 in red, and y squared equals 3x in blue. Then, ito po yung area enclosed. So, in orange. Then, we have negative 2.449 to 2.449. So, another horizontal strip, dy dx. Again, point of intersection for our limits. Then, in terms of x right and x left. Then, the formula, substitute na lang po natin. We have this one as our lower limit and this one as upper limit. Copy y squared plus x over 6 minus y squared over 3 dy. Again, we have y dy. So, be careful sa pag-input natin. Okay? So, this will be x squared plus 6 over 6 minus x squared po, huwag pong kakalimutan, hindi po y. Okay? X dx, x squared plus 6 over 6 minus x squared over 3 dy. Then, we have negative 2.449, 2.449. Then, equal sign, the answer is 3.2659. But, mga naka-radical. So, pwede naman po natin isahan sa simula pa lang. Ipapakita lang po natin para iwas hassle. Hanggat kaya naman. So, square root of 6 over 3. Then, input lang po natin ang ating options. To square root of 6 over 3. Then, 4 square root of 6 over 3. And the last one, hindi na po kaya. So, hanggang letter C na lang po muna tayo. Equal sign, 3.2660. So, letter A, hindi po. Letter B, hindi po. Letter C, oh yes, this is 3.2660. Okay, so the answer is letter C. Huwag na po nating isama ang, okay, pwede naman, sige. 5 square root of 6 over 3. So, hindi. So, the answer is letter C. 4 square root of 6 over 3, letter C. So, okay na po ba tayo sa plane areas? Dito lang po talaga tayo magkakatalo sa pag-analyze ng problem. So, we need to practice. And the last 5 problems lang po tayo. Find the area enclosed by the parabola y equals x squared and the line y equals 2x plus 3. Here, y po yung walang square, therefore vertical. And dahil positive, opens to the right. Parabola that opens to the right. So here is the graph. Yes, it is. And the point of intersection. So we have the parabola y equals x squared. Nasa origin po, dahil ito po ang ating equation. And the line in violet is 2x plus 3. The region enclosed is this one in pink. So, we will use vertical para ito na po mismo. And we have the movement will be horizontal. So, pag ganon, we have -1 and 3. Okay? For our limits. So, what's our formula? Upper minus lower. The limits is -1 and 3. Therefore, y upper, the 1 and violet, so 2x plus 3, kinopya lang po natin. And y lower, y equals x squared, therefore minus x squared. Then, input po natin. So, this one, we have 2x plus 3 minus alpha x squared and -1, 3. Then, equal sign. The answer is 32/3. Letter C. So, ayan po. Nag-practice po muna tayo ng graphing. Pag-analyze ng problem, graphing, and pag-substitute sa ating formula. So, this is all for today. God bless you all.